I'm going to speak about Amazon native ads not uploading, and not to panic. I'm going to do a shorter video, very to the topic, specific in this video. I'm just going to show you an example and help you understand how you can set up your platform that when ads don't upload the way they are intended to upload, fully show the ad, that your web pages don't look subpar when they don't upload. And I'm in my Amazon account. I can show you now because the code should show here. They're working on it. See, I'm choosing major appliances, arts and crafts. Nothing, no code is populating, and no ad example is showing. An example of the way it looks, the way it will look on your web page should populate. They're working on something. So don't panic when ads don't populate. See, that shouldn't be like that. Baby and nursery, there should be endless. Anything with pets and babies should be endless ads. But you see what I mean? The code is not showing here. That one showed a little bit. Again, that's nothing. Everything's blank. Blank. Oh, that one's not blank, but where's the code? It's not there. You see what I mean? Well, now I'm going to show you something. I'm writing about this topic of Alessa Foods. There should be a native ad on the top that looks like this. This is a native ad that uploads. For some reason, maybe because I did this a while ago and I have it on the bottom, this is uploading. But the one I really want on top, introducing the product I'm speaking about, is not. But at least this don't look like, it's so bad. It looks like it's just a search bar. So if somebody types in Alessi products, I'm just using this brand name for this example because that's what I'm working on right now, and click go, it will bring the visitor to Alessi products on Amazon. So setting it up in a way that it looks like there's nothing missing if an ad don't upload is what you want. I did some research and it confirmed what I already taught myself, that Amazon goes through waves, and so do all affiliate programs. And this started in 2022, the messages I'm reading, and the person says, I contacted Amazon support. They said the issue is coming from them and they are working to solve it. That's exactly what's going on, because stuff like this happens all the time. Don't think it's always you, but if you can set up your online world when ads, it don't have to be Amazon native ads. I'm just using the native ad code as an example because I was able to show you it's not even creating the code. They're working on something. And I feel they're working on something because the new web's rolling out. But that's something I follow. That's an industry I follow. There's a lot of changes going down, and that includes apps. There's a lot of stuff going on, and it's all about programming, coding, engineering, everything, the whole ecosystem of all online services, internet, the new web, the old web. It all has to work together, and I feel that has a lot to do with the blockchain. It's not just about the monetary system. It's about everything running on the new system that's creating the new ecosystem that we are all going to use it. The people who are not aware of what's rolling out, they're already using it. They just don't know it. I hope you learned something from this video. Set your websites up. It was a lesson learned that it don't look so bad. When the ads don't show up, it don't look that bad. It might entice someone type in a search. You know what I mean? So I'm happy it happened because this don't look that bad. And now I will continue to build my web pages to look the best they can look, even when ads don't upload fully, properly. I'll see you in the next video clip. Never give up. Give a like and subscribe. If I can do it, you can do it too. See you later. Bye.